Hey kids, have you ever wondered how your lights and TV get their power? The more you know about electricity, the more you can help your family use it wisely. Electricity is like an invisible force that travels through wires and powers up the things we use every day. First up, remember to turn off lights when you leave a room. It's a simple way to save electricity and can help save money, which means more dollars for cool stuff like toys or snacks. And when your phone or tablet is fully charged, unplug the charger. Even when it's not in use, it can still use energy. More money saved means more money for fun activities you can enjoy. Keep the refrigerator door closed tight. Every time you open it, cold air escapes and the fridge has to work harder. A well-kept refrigerator means less money spent on energy, so you can save up for a fun outing or a new game. In winter, remind your parents not to set the thermostat too high. Just keep it comfy and cozy, but not too warm. This way, they'll save money on your energy bill, and you might even get to use some of those savings for something you've been wanting. And before you head out, make sure to turn off the TV or video game console. They use electricity even when you're not playing, and the money saved from this could add up to a cool new gadget. By following these tips, you help save electricity, keep our planet happy, and save some extra cash. And you might even get to enjoy some of those savings yourself. Remember, every little bit helps.